If your Instagram isn't bringing you customers, it's your fault. You're blaming the algorithm. You're blaming reach. You're blaming Instagram. You're posting random content with no strategy. You're posting photos. You're posting quotes. You're posting Happy Monday. But you are not telling people why they should pay you. You don't have a content problem. You have a clarity problem. Who do you help? What problems do you solve? Why should I choose you over the next guy? If I land on your page right now, I should know what you do in 5 seconds. Instagram is not for vibes, it's for business. If you want customers, stop posting for likes and start posting to convert. Follow me if you want to see growth in your business.